Isa ba? Hi guys, and this is my voice, and I'm here to teach you how to fix that apps that always crash and restart sometimes. All you have to do is go to settings, application or app manager. Just go to settings and just click more or the three dots show system. Just find Android system review. Just disable it. Now go to Play Store. Just search Android system review. Now download Android system review beta. After that, if you download it, just go to system management or about phone. Just click multiple times build number or software version, just like that. Now go to developers option. Now just find uh, review implementation. Just find that. Now select, just gonna make sure that it's selected. Now that's all for today. Bye. Subscribe, and I only have 24 subscribers now. Bye.